Oh my gosh, this is how the setup is going. You do the knot tire.
Another knot tie exercise here. This is just a tricep kickback with the cable and a rope. Keep your arm parallel to the ground.
Yep.
Bend over and get after it.
Don't lose control of that elbow.
Yeah, you don't need to go crazy having this either. Just squeeze the movement.
Look, I'm having some difficulty. I think I was drunk during this or something.
Doing a keto-approved alcohol. Yeah, I mean, I guess the way you hold it's just preference, but I can get more weight if I hold it that way.
Lock that in there, guys. Hit them. Look at all that weight I'm throwing up.
Was it like 10 pounds?
It don't matter. We're fine-tuning. We're fine-tuning the muscles. We're getting the blood in there, you know?
Getting the squeeze action going.
The pump is incredible.